love is in the air at Doby's Bridge Elementary.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
The love of art.
What you do? We're having a Valentine's party.
The love of family and friends.
It brings me joy.
The love you share knowing you are making someone else's day better.
We want to share that love with other people.
One person with a lot of love is second grade teacher Dierdra Chandler. She has crafted an engaging program to instill in her students the important values of compassion and generosity, helping them understand the power of giving back to their community.
How important it is to express to every person in our community that they are cared about, needed, and thought about. And so we decided the best way that we could do that from this school is to express with our writing and our artwork with cards.
For the second consecutive year, the Doby's Bridge Dragons have poured their creativity and heart into crafting Valentine's Day cards for the Fort Mill Assisted Living and Memory Care Center residents. This thoughtful project showcases their artistic talents and spreads joy and warmth to those who receive these heartfelt messages of love and friendship.
I want you to have a happy Valentine's Day.
Over 200 Valentine's Day cards will be handed out to area seniors.
Happy Valentine's Day. Somebody loves you.
Spreading the love this season.
I hope you will have a happy Valentine's Day.
The heart behind these cards demonstrates important lessons to these second graders.
It's Valentine's Day. We want to make people happy, and people in nursing homes don't get stuff like this very rarely.
I'm trying to make something nice for senior citizens because they might not feel good, so I want them to feel happy. It's fun having to spread love with every family.
Catherine, what is your favorite part of making these Valentine's Day cards?
Doing it with my mom.
I think this is great. This is a great way to spread the joy to those in our community that might not get some extra love.
Spreading that extra love through each card, drawing, and sticker is a lesson that Dierdra Chandler hopes her students will cherish.
We hope moving forward they will always think about others.
She believes this community service project will empower her students to keep that spirit of generosity alive beyond their time in second grade.
It makes me feel good. Our children, they excel academically. We're proud of them and we're happy about that. But it's just as important to us that they learn other things in life, like how to care about others and be kind to others and help the community around you. I'm hoping that moving forward, they will always keep in mind of thinking of others. What can I do for others? That's what I'm hoping that they take away from this. And that moving forward in their lives, it could be 5 years from now, 10 years from now, but they always think, what can I do from others when they think about this experience today?